Thank you for watching this channel. This channel provides easy to understand and excellent books in Japan in English, and provides useful information for practical equipment design. We will start to explain based on M&A design standard book in Japan. We call Brown book. This time, we will explain about local water heater calculation and selection. From section 1 to section 2. Section 1. Bases. We study basic rule about hot water system. General point is same as supply water. If pick up difference point. Item 6. To consider expansion tank and pressure safety valve to protect equipment due to the rapid expansion due to temperature rise. Item 7. To consider heating device that keeps the water temperature above 60 degrees Celsius to prevent the propagation of Legionella spp. Next, design point. Also, these general point is same as supply water. Item 4. The classification of hot water supply equipment. Better to plan local water heater in case 1. Hot water point far away from circulation piping. Case 2. Different temperature requirement. Case 3. Infrequently used equipment. Table 1-1 is the summary of feature about central type and local type. The central type is good for hotels and so on where there is a large and stable demand for hot water, but for other intermittent demand, the local type will be selected. Item 5. Standard temperature for hot water shall be as per table 1-2. As you aware from table 1-2, we consider 60 degrees Celsius to keeping the hot water to suppress the outbreak of Legionella bacteria. Section 2. Water heater. There is the several type of water here in the market. We will explain the feature one by one. 1. About gas type water heater. For dishwash, better to select instant gas water heater. For drinking, better to select storage type water heater. 2. Electrical water heater can be used for drinking and dishwash. But if used for drinking, to consider necessary measure from sanitary of point. 3. Hot water requirement to be calculate, for instant gas water heater, from hot water volume by water point. For storage type water heater, from consumption per occupant. For selection, whether instantaneous or continuous water flow is required, the design inputs required will vary depending on the equipment being selected. What is the difference between instance type and storage type? This is the cut model sketch for each type. Instant type is directly connected heater and hot water line. Therefore it can be provide similar water pressure from supply water. Storage type can be reduce the heater capacity. Therefore it can be saving energy. These are about design point above to water heater. We would especially like to highlight item 3. Semi-closed or open-type gas water heater should not install around corrosive gas. Rapid rusting can cause accidents such as gas leaks. Item 4. If select storage type water heater, should be put weekly timer and auto water replace function. If you stay in the water for a long time, various bacteria will grow, so it is not suitable for drinking and health point of view. Then, let's proceed about how to design and select a water heater. First, we will explain for instant gas type. 1. Calculate hot water volume. As per the formula, we will calculate required hot water volume from each water point and summarize. Next, use this formula and calculate heating capacity. About TH for hot water temperature, you can see the table 1-2 and select temperature. If did not fix the usage, you may choose 60 degrees. We will select capacity of water heater. But this method is to translate unit for Japanese equipment. Therefore, we can skip this method if chose global product. In Japan, we use local unit for water heater selection. We said 1.75 kilowatts is 1 go. Fig. 2 to 1 is selection curve according to water volume and cold water temperature. We will explain about in case of storage type water heater selections. Difference point from instant gas water heater is capacity to be decided from occupant. It's not from water point and other factors. N is occupant for hot water calculation. Q is hot water volume per person. K1 is continuous hot water factor. Heating capacity can be calculated based on this formula. So, K2 is safety factor. Q is hot water storage volume. TH is hot water storage temperature. TC is cold water temperature. T is boiling time. Okay, we can complete selection method each instant gas water heater and storage type water heater. Thank you for watching. We explained about local water heater selection in this movie. We will explain about centralized water heater system design in next. In this channel, we will provide useful information for M&A design practice. See you again in next movies.